Satisfaction lead guitar. We're playing an E chord, but we're going to start on the fifth of the chord, B, with our first finger. If you don't have dexterity, you can play B, B. Frets would be 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4. Now ideally, those notes are B, B, C sharp, D. Ideally, you'd have some dexterity, and you could play using your first, third, and fourth. Alternately, you can play the open D string, so B, B, open D. And then when we get to the verses, power chords that we've played before, E power chord for 2 bars, 2, 3, 4, A power chord, 2, 2, 3, E power chord, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, A power chord, 2, 2, 3, pre-chorus, I tried, and I B chord, and I tried, and I A chord, and back to the lick. Play this. Drum break. And back to the top.